What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, and on this episode of the How To Show, we are talking about how to save money on gas for this summer. A lot of people are spending upwards of $5 a gallon right now. Really painful. That bill at the gas station is over $100 for a lot of folks. And so want to bring to your attention an opportunity to basically take two different ways to save money on gas and stack them together. And so the first piece of this is the Chase Freedom Card. I'll show you the backside of my card so that you don't spend all my money on your gas. But anyway, for the next 3 months, the Chase Freedom Card is giving 5% cash back on gas. And so if gas is $5 a gallon, that's basically 25 cents per gallon of gas off. I think it's capped at $1,500 total value, but there's a good chance that you can make some benefit to that if you're a Freedom Card holder. If you're not, you may want to look into it just because that's a benefit that's, among the better options in terms of sign-up bonuses for cards, just to get that potential $1,500 back in cash back just for gas, because gas is really expensive right now. And so the way to stack that on top of another benefit is to take your phone. That's my daughter Marin and my soon-to-be daughter. Talked a little bit more about her later. But you get into the Upside app. And so inside the Upside app, I'm not going to walk you through how to do the entire app, but basically you use the map and you find places to get gas in your area, and they basically give you cash back in their own app for filtering the transaction through their application. And so you store a credit card in the app, you either recognize and log in at the gas pump that you're paying for the gas using that card there, or you take a picture of the receipt. Different gas stations work different ways, but those are basically the two options that you do this. And on the back side, they give you whatever the promotion was on the map, and sometimes it's 10 cents off, sometimes it's 20 cents off. I've seen it as high as 25 cents off. And so if you use your Freedom Card to pay for the gas, you're going to get roughly 5% cash back, or right around now, close to 25 cents per gallon off in cash back through the Freedom Card. And if you stack that on top of what you can get through Upside, you're going to get as much as 50 cents per gallon back on your gas. And so if you stack that up for the next 3 months, you can probably save a decent amount of money when you go to the gas station, and hopefully it makes it a little less painful. That's going to bring this episode of the show to a close. Hopefully you got some value out of this. Share the video with others if you think they can get value out of it too. If you got any questions, or if you've not heard of Upside before, leave me a comment down below. I'll make sure that you know how to get to it. And if you want to be the first to know about new episodes of the show each and every week, you can hit the notification bell and you can subscribe. Still bringing new content each and every Wednesday. And as always, if you are looking to sell your home in the Indianapolis market, I can be of service to you. A lot is changing in the world of real estate right now, so you want to have an expert on your side. Happy to be that resource to you. Until next time, this is Anthony Drew Gary, host of The How To Show, signing off.